Keenan from the Neely team at Coldwell Banker Westford Realty, and we're at our new listing at 5329 Woodsworth in Central Burnaby, and we're really in an excellent spot here, close to all major arteries, schools, and this listing again at 5329 Woodsworth is pretty much in original condition, but there's been some updates which we'll talk about in a little bit here. It's a 53 by 115 lot. It's about 2,200 square feet on 2 levels. 3 bedrooms up, 1 bedroom down, plus a rec room, 2.5 baths. So let's proceed and take you inside. Nice flat lot. Beautifully treed, quiet. Roof was done about 10 years ago. Exterior needs some paint, but you know what? A good facelift, and this is a good buy at $1,118,000. Good price.
Welcome. Foyer or foyer.
Big rec room, which was kind of typical of homes built in this era, 1969. Decent ceiling height, so if you wanted to put in a suite, we have an idea concept for that. So you could probably put a wall halfway through this rec room here, which would then become split, so you'd have a space for the upstairs, and then this could be the living area for the suite downstairs. Separate entrance. Right now this is a laundry room, but easily, because you've got the separate entrance here to the backyard, which we'll show you right now. And you'll notice all the trees are towards the back of the property, so if you wanted to redevelop, you're not going to have a lot of tree obstruction to make that happen. Good sized deck actually too. And it's sunny back there, even though we're facing north at the back, front door at the south. It's really open to the sun. Still relatively early in the day. And there's a small deck here off the master. So continuing on, the mechanical room is here. We've got updated furnace and hot water tank. We don't know the exact age, but they're definitely not the original. And get a light on in there for you. Again, not the original. Probably under 10 years. Access to a single car garage in there. There's a lot of clutter in there, but that'll be cleaned out on possession. In the basement, there's a 3-piece bath, which again, for a suite, is going to be advantageous for you. And a bedroom here, albeit a little small, but definitely suitable for a student or maybe someone that goes to BCIT. Here we are upstairs. So, wide open living room area here. Hardwood floors. This will be oak. These are the original floors. I don't think they've ever been resanded. So we checked. There's a good probably ½ inch left on the hardwood. So if you were to sand these down, I think they'd come up really nice. Cedar paneling, cedar ceiling. Of course, it's a vaulted ceiling here. Kitchen. I'd like to say, for a home like this, bring your decorating ideas. But it's solid, it's got great bones. While we're here, we'll take you out on the sunny sun deck. You get a partial view to the mountains up there. In fact, it's more than a partial. Better than I expected. In the top floor here, we've got 4-piece bath. Some updating done in that actually that was upgraded. And 3 good-sized bedrooms. Number 1. And again, the vaulted ceiling. So you've got ceiling height towards the middle here, probably around 10 feet. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. With the access to the small deck and a 2-piece bath. How about that? We're just going to give you one more look to the outside here from the master bedroom deck. And here we are. Thanks for stopping by and watching our video here for 5329 Woodsworth. Again, listed at $1,118,000. Very good price for Burnaby Central for this lot size and this square footage. So you can visit us at keenanhomes.ca, or you can call us at 604-649-4548. Take care.